Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Tiguan fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked. The fuel flap is conveniently located on the passenger side of your Tiguan. Once you've confirmed your car is unlocked, you're ready for the next simple step. This process is designed to be straightforward, making refueling quick and easy for every driver. Now, to release the fuel flap, simply press firmly on its rear edge. You'll feel a slight click, and the flap will spring open a small amount. This mechanism is designed for easy access, requiring just a gentle push. There's no need to pull a lever inside the car, it's all done from the outside. This makes the process very convenient. With the flap open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Once it's free, you can place it securely in the holder provided on the inside of the fuel flap. This keeps the cap clean and prevents it from dangling or getting lost while you refuel your vehicle, ensuring a tidy experience. Once you've finished refueling, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms the cap is securely tightened. Finally, gently push the fuel flap closed until it latches firmly back into place. You'll feel it seat flush with the vehicle's body, indicating it's properly secured for your journey ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.